Hi friends, welcome back to another episode of Fix This House. Before this year ends, 2020, I want to show you guys how to easily change out your toilet seat cover. Stay tuned. Thank you so much for tuning in once again to the channel. If you're not yet subscribed, please consider pressing that subscribe button down below, notification bell, so you can always be in tune of simple DIYs, how-to videos like these, because I'm always happy to teach you these simple how-to videos you can easily do yourself. So changing out your toilet seat cover is not rocket science. You can easily do this at home with just the simple tools that you probably already have. Now let's go check out this toilet seat and the reason why I'm changing it out. One of the biggest reasons why I want to change this toilet seat out is because of that. It just makes so much noise, and I have two small children that when they're done using the toilet, they just slam that toilet seat and it just wakes me up when I'm taking my nap sometimes. Another reason is, if you look right here, look closely on these two spots, the paint on them is starting to scrape off. Now this toilet seat is made out of wood, so all that paint is starting to chip away. That's why I'm changing it out to this plastic cover, and it also is a quiet close, which I'll show you its function in a bit. Now the tools that you're going to need to change out your toilet seat cover is pretty much gloves, just for sanitary reason, a flathead screwdriver, and also a tape measure. Before you go out there and start buying a toilet seat cover, you want to look at the toilet seat cover that you already have and assess what type you have. There's already two common types. One is elongated, just like what you see here, and another type is the round version, which is this one measures to about 18 inches and the circular version is around 16 inches. To verify that, just take your tape measure, measure from the top to the tip of the oval, and it measures about close to 18. We take a look into the new bowl. If I measure about to the flat end to the tip right there, it measures close to 17 and a quarter from this all the way across to the edge of the seat. Now removing your toilet seat cover is very easy. This version, all you gotta do to remove it is twist it like so. Same thing on the other side. Just like that. This is the other version that we have in our other toilet, and this one is a pop-off style. All you gotta do is pop the covers just like that, and you can get access to the little plastic screws right there. After you remove the seat, you're gonna be exposed to something like this, which is very disgusting, so you're gonna have to wipe this down. That's where the gloves come in play, because you're gonna be handling some nasty stuff like this that you need to clean up. So just take your cleaner, spray it down, let it soak for a little bit, and clean up. To remove this bolt, you need to go underneath your seat and remove this lock washer, just like this one. Take your flathead screwdriver and then twist it counterclockwise, or you can just twist the lock nut underneath. Now your new toilet seat should look something like this. All you gotta do is lift these two tabs up. Now it should have came with these two inserts. Make sure that this pad is facing down, like that. Now you can't get this wrong, because if you try putting it like this, it's not gonna work. So it only fits just like this. There you go. Make sure you lock those two. Now you're gonna align the two holes right on the toilet bolt. Take the bolts provided with your seat and then insert it through those holes. So now take this lock nut and just twist it till it tightens up, but make sure that the seat is nice and aligned before you do so. But before you tighten down the bolts, this seat is adjustable, so right here you can move it up and down. That was designed so that you can adjust your toilet seat so you can make it flush with the tip of your bowl right there. You can finally tighten these screws down. Now to tighten this screw down, all you gotta do is place your flathead right there to hold it in place. And then on the bottom part, just twist it counterclockwise. Pretty much all you gotta do now is just close it like that, and your new seat is installed. And there you have it. You can lift it up, and then now this was designed as a quiet close. So you see it, it is slowly going down. Perfect. No more slamming, very quiet. And that is finished. So there you have it, friends. So easy to install. That took about less than 30 minutes. You can do this with just simple tools around your home. I'll leave all the links and the tools and the material on the link down below so you can easily click on it. Yeah, that is very simple. And look at that. Quiet close, no more slamming. So once again, friends, if you found this video helpful, please hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Please press that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can always be in tune of what's going on with my projects around at home, DIYs like these, easy how-to videos that you can easily do at home with the simple tools around your home. So thank you once again. You guys have a good day. Stay safe.